welcome back to my channel. You know that name. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KK here. Guys, I just woke up. It's currently 9 in the morning. On a Friday. But we're going out. We are going to the beach. We're going to the beach. My sister has an event at her job at the yacht club. And since she doesn't want us to get bored during the day, she was like, just go to the beach near the yacht club. So that's what we're gonna do. It's just gonna be me and my mom. But yeah, guys, I'll be back when like I'm more awake and we're doing something. Alright, y'all, we're here at the beach. And look what I found. Whoa. Look at it. So good. We're here at the beach. Not a lot of people here. That's great. That's amazing. Yeah, hola, mommy. Hola. She's chilling in the shade. I'm gonna switch to a different camera. Hello, guys. We are on a GoPro. We're at the water right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh my god, I'm coming too close. But the water feels great. It's cold, but not crazy cold. And there's rocks everywhere in my feet hurt, but now I'm in the non-rocky area. So guys, this is my sister's GoPro that we used once in Colombia, and it kind of broke because we left it in the engine, near the engine, and it like burnt to the crisp, and we never used it again. But I'm trying to use it again, so hopefully this footage comes out good. We're at the water, and I'm gonna see if I can swim, and hopefully you guys are seeing me. Hopefully I'm recording. I really cannot see the screen right now. It says I've been recording for 1 minute, so hopefully we're doing something. You guys hear me? It's not really cold, but like, you know. But anyways, 1, 2, 3. That was good. La agua está buena. It's really nice. But yeah, guys, this is the view. Yeah, guys. We're here. I'm trying to be cool. Well, no, just kidding. I'm with my mom. My sister's at the yacht club thing. I wish she was here. The water's pretty good. My mom right now is looking. I hope she's usually here. But guys, I'll be back after I tighten my goggles. Alright guys, we are back. I tightened my goggles, so I feel a bit better, but they're getting foggy too fast. And also there's like snails or something, or like little crabs, I don't know, and they're like, I'm stepping on them and I feel really bad. So I'm trying to not really step on them, and like when I stay still, my glasses are fucking up, they like crawl on me and I feel on my feet. But it's pretty good. I'll show you guys. They're like all the way down here. I suck at holding my breath. But they're like all down there. Oh yeah, I feel bad. Like I'm literally extending all that. I'm killing families. Oh, that's so warm. I just swallowed. Ay. Oh my god.
Agua está fría.
No, está buena. Guys, this is my little setup. We're gonna play with sand later. But we're gonna go back in the water. Ciao, ciao. I've never gone to the beach by myself, in the sense like in the water. So like, I'll just have to be pretend mermaid on myself. You know, it's yeah, it's pretty chill. I think it's like wide mode right now. Like, I don't know how wide, you know? And I kind of look crazy like talking to myself. But yeah, guys, this is my mermaid adventure. Alright, guys, we're back at my gala. Let's go for a swim.
My little soda pop.
My little soda pop. Guys, I just watched, well, not really, like a couple, maybe last week even, I watched K-pop Demon Hunter. I'm hooked. It's giving 4-tone again, but like extreme. You're the one I think of every time I think you. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Oh, I think his name is Jinyu. I don't know how to feel, you know, like, I'm still grieving his loss, you know? Like, he's literally, like, disintegrating in thin air in front of all our faces. You know? Like, I give you my soul, like, that nigga even hurt. He gave his soul to her, you know? But, like, he lied, though, you know what I mean? Like, but he found out he could find his shit, you know what I mean? Like, he still lied. He the one that kicked the family out, okay? He did all that, you know? But, like, I still want to know. I forgot it. I literally don't know nobody else in there. Except for Virginia, you know? I want to know her story. Like, what do you mean? Like, you're a demon, you're half demon. Like, these bitches are still narcissists. Like, you still had to kill the Saja boys to do stupid golden mirror sign. Like, what are you talking about? You know what I mean? I'm getting dragged right now. That was kind of scary. I don't know how I feel about that. I was gonna go backwards. If I let myself go, I get dragged backwards. Oh, stop. Okay, but yeah, like, they still had to kill the Saja boys so she can get her stupid ass marks taken away. But her marks are still, you can still see them bitches, like. And how does no one know what the demons are? You know what I mean? And how did the girl's mom had time to fuck the demon? I'm going up, up, up. You know what I mean? Like, like, you know? And what do you mean it took 9 years to make this movie? And it's still up to date with the trends? Like, what are you talking about? How long is it gonna take this one? Like, I want Jinyu back, that's all I care. Guys, like, I'll be back, you know. Alright, chat, we're back. Just had a little tan break. And I'm back in the water. A little tan break and water play and sand play. Oh my god, yeah. bro, the carcass got so low. So but I'm Mermaid. I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, we're home. I'm tired. Let's see if those clips on the water look good. I don't know. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications to know every time I post. See you guys next week, maybe. And guys, don't forget, life is a blind box.